it's me, Elise, and if you hear anything, that's because my sister is in my room. Like that. My sister's in my room. Anyways, so I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets because like my channel hasn't been working. And I got a lot of fidgets since then. I have 4 bins. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, that was awkward. I'm going to be showing you my stress balls. I'm going to start with this one since I had this in the intro. This is a yellow color changing needle. It goes from yellow to orange. I got it for Christmas. By the way, if you like, if I know when I got it and where or what from I got it, I'll tell you. But if I don't, then I just won't tell you. So that was really nice, and it still hasn't popped. Yeah. Now I have this blue needle. I got this from my friend. We were fidget trading. What? Okay. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Anyways, it's just my sister. Anyways, so it's just a normal blue needle. It's kind of dirty, but it is actually a needle. See, a needle. And yeah, it's really nice. It also hasn't popped. If it popped, I wouldn't be showing you it. Yes, this is actually really nice. It's a pink Orbeez stress ball, and it's like kind of hard to squeeze, but it's really stress relieving. I have this, it's my dream fidget. It's dream stress ball. It's a crunchy ball, and I got it from trading. By the way, this I got from a fidget pack, and I got this from a fidget pack. Sorry. Well, actually, these came in the same stress ball pack. It's fine. Anyways, then I have this green needle. Also, I got this from a surprise fidget pack for Christmas. Because I got $60 for my birthday, so I got like a lot of fidgets. This came in a fidget pack. It's a red Orbeez stress ball with glitter. And this also came in the same fidget pack that this came in. It's a green Orbeez stress ball with green glitter. Then I have this ball. It's like a blue, and it's kind of like a jelly ball. Like it's kind of like there's hard gel in it. By the way, it's New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, but it's not Eve because it's like 11. Anyways, so it's blue and it goes to purple, and it's kind of hard, but then the more you play with it, it gets like easier to hold. I have another Orbeez ball. It's hard like this one, but it has green, purple, and like another green in it. I have this Pop-It ball, which is really nice. I don't really like it. I like it. It's just like I can't pop 2 that are by each other. And well, I can actually sometimes. It works. But like this, or like this, and then this. See, look, ready? And pop this, but I can't pop this one. It just pops up. So it's kind of annoying there, but like I can pop. But like, it's just kind of hard to pop them sometimes, in my opinion. And then I have this green. It's like this, but this one's blue to purple, and this one's orange to reddish pink. It's like a maroon color. Then I have a bunch of, oh, I forgot about this. This is a bigger one. I actually got this from trading with my cousin's cousin, so kind of my second cousin, but not really. I don't actually know, but it's a ginormous rainbow needle. And it hasn't popped since I got it. It's really, it's really like heavy, heavy. You probably know what heavy is. I have a couple broken, like this. It's really weird. And then I have all these squishies. You can take a look. Oh, this one, it's actually a mochi. Then I have like a Stranger Things one, broken, and egg, a llama, football, also another broken one. This is a really good one. And this. It's really all for stress balls because I don't have a lot of stress balls. I have a lot of squishies, and I kind of gave some of my squishies to my friends, which I'm now regretting that because, like, when I didn't have fidgets, no. Here's my pop drawer. It's ginormous. Like, no, it's the same size, but it's like up to here. Full of poppets. It's a poppet bin. First, I'm gonna start with this one, which is actually my favorite. It is this little octo-poppet thing. I don't know what it's called. It's a flippable octopus, but the face stays the same. So it's like this, and then like this. And then the sides pop, and it's really nice. This is the good side, so this side is the good side, and this side is the bad side. Pretty good. Oh, this is a snail dimple. It's actually, I don't even know where I got it. It is a snail dimple. It's got this red, orange, blue, green, and yellow. And then these little things that are kind of stretchy, so I sometimes play with those. Then I have this mini poppet. It's really small, like on the palm of my hand. It's pretty small. And I like this middle poppet because it's kind of good on both sides. And it has some weird textures right here. It's like some weird numbers. You can't really see it though. Go see where my thumb is. See those kind of imprinted numbers? Yeah. And it's kind of a keychain too. What? 1 second. Sorry.
It looks like I got it for Christmas.
1 sec, Lauren. Can I finish my video? And I'll give it to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I have this actual Simple Dimple, like the Simple Dimple brand. It's pink and blue and pink. Then I have this, which is an off-brand Simple Dimple, and it's like really plastic. And it's like a bright green with purple. Then this is not. It is like. It's off-brand. It's obviously not a Simple Dimple shape. It's like a bow Simple Dimple, and it's really, really, really easy to pop. Like I could just with a little tap, it's easy to pop. And I'll just get these over with. These poppet bracelets. I have too many. I just have a bunch of colors. They're all like this. So pop bracelets. I'm not gonna show you every one of them because I have too many. I have like 16. And then you have these two poppet bracelets, which aren't like that. They're like this. They're actually the exact same. It's like a really cute tie-dye color, and this is rainbow patterned. And they have like a hexagon in the middle. What?
Can you walk
current? Yes, you can.
Can you walk by there?
Yeah. And then they have like these little hexagons in the middle. And this is the good side, the back. Oh, and now I have this ginormous poppet. Sorry, I had OCD to do that. It's a keychain, which I don't know why you would want this to be a keychain on your purse, which is really big. Yeah, it's just a kind of the size of my head. Yeah, I don't know where I got it. I think I got it from like a kid on my bus. We fidget trade on my bus. Yeah, this is really nice, and it can like be rolled up. Oh well. Then I have a popsicle. So you know how everybody wants like these popsicle poppets? Well, I have one, but it's not one of those big ones. It's just like one of these, and it pops like really loud. Yeah. So. Ew, I don't know why I actually did it. Oh, and I have a heart shell puppet. I just saw this. It's a normal heart shell puppet. I don't really like the color, and there's this weird black stuff on it because I got it from my friend. Like, it's kind of like an ugly yellow and blue, like kind of tie-dyed. I don't really like the color, but it pops really well. And I love this, and it actually pops evenly. I think. Oh, no, it doesn't. Because in the middle, there's only one left. So it pops evenly, but got a middle there. Yeah, it does not pop evenly. I think it might, actually. I'm not sure. Okay, you can. My sister's talking to me. Sorry, it's okay. Yeah, you can sit on the bed. If you hear me talking to someone, it's because I'm talking to my sister. other one went. Oh, wait. I found it. I'm going to do these three because they came in the same package. We have this one. It's a fox. And they are all the same. There used to be a googly eye here, but I just kind of took it off. It's a little fox. It's really cute. And they're kind of small holes, but I don't really like that. This is a llama. Very, very small holes. We have another, they're identical llamas, just different colors, so I was kind of mad about that when I opened the package. But they're really cute. And this one's a little bit smaller than this one. And I actually really like this color, but they're the same size bubbles. They're really small bubbles, but like, see, it's pretty nice. And this one I like. It's just kind of weird because look, the bubbles are different color, different sizes. Like this one's big and then this one's like small. So I like how that is, but it's like you can't pop it evenly. It's like, and then I only want to pop the big ones. It's hard. This, I love this. It is a strawberry. Strawberry? Pop it. Yeah. Pastel with like these little. Again, you probably can't see it. But like little textures. You might be able to see it, but there. But yeah, little textures, and it's like really nice. And it's really, you can't see it on the camera because on the camera it kind of looks like really bright. But in real life, it's very pastel. Like this is these colors are really, really pretty. Like especially this one. Because on the camera, it looks kind of like greenish and like not that pastel to me when I look on my camera. But it's really pastel. You can just not tell. These two, I'm going to do like some bland plain ones first right now. I have a yellow one. It's just a yellow circle poppet. I don't know where I got it. I don't know where I got like all these. But yeah, pretty nice. I have a green hexagon, I think, or polygon, something like octagon. I think it's called. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, octagon. I have a green octagon. Pretty. And here's a red hexagon and an orange circle. I'm gonna do part 2. Bye.